Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha, and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Familiar Magic Pocket Oracle, a 44-card deck and guidebook by Madame Pamita, illustrated by Lea Androic. Hopefully I'm pronouncing your names correctly. I do apologize if I'm not. This is published by Hay House. Thank you so much to Hay House for sending this my way. This retails for $14.99 in the US and $19.99 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. All right. Discover the animals and plants who want to be your magical allies. This pocket-sized oracle offers insight into the past, the future, and yourself through a special animal-plant pairing on each card. You can use this oracle to begin or nurture a familiar relationship and even receive direct messages from your familiar. This simple spells, affirmations, and witchy guidance within are sure to enhance any magical path. All right, I am excited about this. I love this subject matter. So it says, you are called to the path of the witch and the mystical realm of familiar magic. Bottom of the box, pretty. So before we get into the cards, I do want to take a peek at the guidebook here. Okay, we have a nice table of contents. Cards each have their own page number. I'm going to hope that this stays focused here. All right. This invites you into a mystical other world where plants and animals can become our friends and magical allies. Cute. Throughout this guidebook, I often refer to techniques and messages for your familiar. While this deck was designed to help you connect more deeply with your animal or plant familiar, it can also be used to communicate with any other types of flora or fauna friends you have relationships with. A familiar in pop culture refers to a pet that a witch works closely with in their magic. However, as a witch who has worked with the natural world for decades, I believe that the term familiar can apply to any living creature. Okay. About this oracle deck, it seems like you can use it just like any oracle. Special ways. You can use a single card pull. Spreads, discover an animal or plant that wants to work with you, practical messages from the important animal and plants in your life, and an affirmation generator. Oh, that's exciting. Okay, here's some spreads. We have the familiar communication spread, guidance from your familiar spread, spell recipe reading, cool, and then how to do an oracle reading. So you can flip through and learn how to do that if you don't know already. Steps and the messages of the cards. Okay, so remember to tap into your intuition before reading the messages in this guidebook. And then the card title with a magical plant and animal that embodies its meaning. Oracle message with information about the plant and animal to spark your intuition. Witch message for you, the witch, with an action or spell to help initiate the energy of the card. Animal is a message from your animal familiar or another special animal in your life, not the specific animal on the card. Plant, a message from your plant familiar or other special plant in your life, not the specific plant on the card. And an affirmation, positive statements to repeat throughout the day to align with the vibration of each card and manifest amazing things in your life. Okay, and then it goes into each card. All right. Let's get into it. I just wanted to make sure we know how to use this before going into it. All right, the back of the deck. Very pretty. I would call it a mat. It is your Hay House cardstock. Very flexible. I wouldn't call it super thin. It's going to, I believe, shuffle really nice. Okay, I'm going to read the words that are down below because sometimes it's hard to see on camera. So we have abundance with pig and tomato. So cute. Attraction with cat and catnip. Balance with duck and duckweed. Banishment, goat and thistle. Celebration, cute. With guinea pig and quince. Cleansing with frog and fern. The illustrations are adorable. Love it. Communication with parrot and orchid. Community with honeybee and borage. This was my first season I planted borage. Companionship with swan and horsetail. Courage with horse and yarrow. Creativity with spider and sunflower. I like how it's spinning the thread up there. Dreaming with bear and elderberry. Evolution with butterfly and lavender. Fertility with rabbit and dandelion. Flow with fish and eelgrass. Focus with hawk and pine. Friendship with gerbil and pumpkin. Oh, I love this so far. Ingenuity with fox and grape. Innocence with sheep and clover. Intuition with cricket and grass. Cute. Investment, squirrel, and oak. Listening, bat, and thyme. Loyalty, dog, and rosemary. Luck, ladybug, and daisy. Meditation, lizard, and geranium. Itty bitty guy. Nurturing, chicken, and dill. Peace, dove, and hemp. Persistence, turtle, and carnation. Oh my goodness. Play, otter, and cherry. Prophecy, deer, and maple. Protection, goose, and basil. Reason, crow, and blackberry. Resourcefulness with raccoon and corn. I love a raccoon. Romance, hummingbird, and honeysuckle. Self-care with chinchilla and rose hips. Sensitivity, mouse and oats. Silence, salamander and cypress. Try saying all of that together 5 times fast. Spirituality, peacock and fig. Steadfastness, cow and alfalfa. Survival, rat and parsley. Little backpack. Transformation, snake and ivy. Trickery, coyote and crab apple. This little mask, oh my goodness. Warrior, wolf and blueberry. And the last one, wisdom with owl and juniper. I am loving it so far. The artwork, phenomenal. Okay, it is a really nice size for a pocket deck. I prefer, like, if you're going to have a miniature deck or a pocket deck, to have it be somewhat a workable size. I have some that are just really tiny. And they shuffle overhand great too. Okay, so we're going to read in the guidebook for protection and goose and basil. It's time to draw clear boundaries and remain alert and vigilant. Anyone who has intruded on a goose can tell you stories of their fierce protective instincts that get activated in a flurry of honking and flapping. Just as a goose familiar will provide both physical and spiritual protection, you too can keep away unwanted and negative people and energies. You can amp up the spiritual protection around yourself and your property by wearing charms and talismans or placing them around your home. Sweet basil is a plant that geese enjoy. It is also used in protection spells, often as a ward to guard the home. Hang some sweet basil in your house to keep evil at bay and guard your home from negativity. Planting it in your garden protects your property and everyone who lives there from ill wishers. So, a message for the witch. Put on your evil eye necklace or sprinkle some black lava salt across your doorstep, then relax knowing you are safe. Animal. Your familiar is using their special gifts to protect you from all negativity. And plant, carry your familiar's flowers or leaves, if it's safe and ethical to do so, to protect you from negative energies. And last, we have the affirmation. My family and I are safe and protected from all negativity. I really love this. I think this is just enough info. This is great information, as well as I love the choices for plants and animals and for the keywords. Some of these you don't see all the time. It's nice that there's a little bit of a switch up, and I love the art style. It's so nice. There's a lot to look at in the artwork itself, and it really allows your intuition to kind of take over. I love that. And hello, it's cute. I love an animal deck. I love a plant deck, and you're combining the two. I'm sold. So I think this is great. I like the size of it too for being a pocket oracle. Like I said earlier, it's a really nice size. It shuffles great. I don't have an issue with it. This is something that you can take with you in your bag, in your purse, traveling, because it's such a easy size to take with you. I really enjoy a pocket oracle. I take one with me whenever I leave the house, I'm going to be honest. So this is a fantastic one to use for daily work, for confirmation, for connecting with your familiar, for connecting with your plants, whatever the case may be. This is a very versatile deck to use. So now I would love to know what you guys think. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much. And please let me know that you did by adding either a plant emoji or an animal of your choice. I am excited to see which ones you come up with. And thank you so much to Hay House for sending this my way. I am really excited to get to know it on a personal level. All right. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.